Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how to cancel payment on Revolut. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up your Revolut. I'm going to open up mine and I'm going to log into mine. So log into your account once you've opened up. So once you've logged in here, so now what are you going to do? So if you want to cancel a payment, just note that you can only cancel a payment if it's still processing. All right, so suppose if you have already accepted a money, or if you have sent the payment, and the person on the other hand has already accepted it, then you cannot cancel that anymore. Okay, you can no longer cancel it. All right, so that's not possible. You can only do cancel transactions that are still processing. For example, something like this here, this payment is still under process. So if you see that time icon here, that means it's under processing. So if you want to cancel it, so you just click on the transaction that you want to cancel, and you will see that option, that the status, if you see, it says pending. So it's still pending, so it's not completed yet. So this one can be cancelled. So all you have to do is just tap on this cancel option here. So it will ask you, so you want to cancel this. I will just type in yes, cancel, and that will cancel the transaction. So this is the only way how you can cancel payment on Revolut. So hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.